Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to Namecheap hosting in 2024. So the connection between GoDaddy and Namecheap is very easy. You'll be able simply, or you'll need to simply update the domain DNS settings. It's very simple to do so. So the DNS settings you'll get from Namecheap and get it or type it into GoDaddy and you'll be good to go. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that Brave browser, simply go to the URL section. Here, make sure to go to both GoDaddy.com and open a new tab and go to Namecheap.com. Go to both. So once you are in both, make sure to log in both your GoDaddy accounts and your Namecheap accounts. Make sure to connect into both options. So just go here and connect it to both. And yeah, successful both. So the first thing that you'll need to do, check your domain on GoDaddy. So go to your account at the top right corner, click on My Products, and here you'll find the domains as you can see right here. So for me, you don't have any domains yet. Make it easier for customers to find your website by attaching a website domain. Click on Manage All to get a domain as example. Click on Find Your First Domain so you can get that. Here, how to get this, basically, just go here to search inside the domain that you want. For example, maybe I want something like that. Hit the enter button. And yeah, as you can see, exact match and available. And you can get even a bundle. You'll save a lot. I don't know if you want, depending on your preferences. So here, example, it's good. I'll just pay $1.5 for the first year. After that, I'll have to pay for $50, kinda. If you want to use it for a year, this is the best option. If you want to use it for more than a year, .com is the best. Why? It's going to be 1 cent in the first year, but you will need 3 years contracts for that, at least. But each year you'll have just to pay $22. So if you want to get it for more than a year, make sure to get that. And wait, what? I don't know why is that very, very expensive. I'll just try to not look at it. It's very expensive. So as you can see here, I'll just go and click on continue. Once I click on continue, as you can see, you'll get a free domain privacy forever. Free. No need to pay anything. If you want to protect your domain, as example, to get domain protection, you'll have to pay $12. Ultimate, you'll have to pay $22 per domain per year. So if you have 2 domains, you'll have to pay $22 for each domain per year. So if you want to get this for 2 years per domain, if you have 2, you'll have to pay like $44 per 2 domains per year, which is $88 for 2 years. So for me, I don't want any protection. Tell the word that your site is coming to and include it for free. If you want to get even some professional emails, make sure to choose whatever option you want. For me, I don't want any. Then click on continue to cart. Here, as you can see, you'll be able to pay for it. As simple as that. If you want to get it for 1 year, $1.5. Just for 2 years, $50, I guess, something like that. It's very mind-blowing. So if you have some promo code, you can even apply it for this $1 if you want to. You'll be able to. You can get domain protection, as we said before. Even if you regret your choice, maybe you want to get it back, whatever suits you. If you don't, no need to put that on. So after that, all you need to do is simply pay with PayPal or click on Remember to pay with your card, depending on whatever suits you. After that, all you need to do, click on GoDaddy here. Click on your account again at the top right corner. Click on My Products, and this should take you to the first page. So here, as you can see, you'll find the domain that you pay for and you just bought. Click on Manage. Click on Manage on the domain. So for you, if you have the domain, you'll find the Manage option on it. For me, I'll just click on Manage all because I don't have the domain. And if you click on Manage, you'll find DNS here. Just click on DNS, and this should take you to the DNS record of that exact domain name. For me, I still don't have a domain, so they will not take me anywhere now. Now, what should I do? Simply get the DNS servers or records from the Namecheap. So I'll just go to this list panel, click on domain lists as example, and here example on hosting, on domains, I'll find this as example, domain transfer. If you want to transfer like some domain, but that's not what we want. So for me, I'll just need normally go to hosting. Of course, you'll need to host like websites, first of all, to connect that domain into. So click on start, example, keep answering some questions, example. Oh, I don't know what I'm even answering here, so I'm just gonna answer some questions as example. So others, I don't know what I'm even doing here, no, and etc. So basically, if you answer those questions, they will give you basically the plan that suits your needs, example. So yeah, they give you just recommendations there plus as example, and yeah, which is this one. But an example style is enough, which will get you a domain name if you don't even wanna like get a domain from GoDaddy. You can simply just go and start with that, and you can simply choose the domain name that you want. You get a free one. You get an example, the free TDL available, which is going to be like one of those in here, like .online, .fun, .site, .pu, .agency, .websites, and etc. So click on get started, get it, and as example, you can even choose existing domain name here and your third party, and you can simply choose the domain name that you have. As example, maybe like omics.com. Click on connect to hosting. As example, for you, enter the domain that you have in here, and then they will of course search for it, and you can simply just go and click on connect to hosting, and it should be connected. Of course, they will normally take you through some connection issue things once you pay, of course. So just go and you'll be able simply to pay. And after that, of course, they'll give you some DNS records. All you need to do is simply go here and add those records. Basically, they'll give you like name servers specifically. They'll give you two name servers, and you'll have to simply go to name servers here on this record. Click instead of custom, instead of default, choose custom. On name servers 1, put dns1.namecheap.com. In name servers 2, put dns2 .namecheap.com. Of course, that I'm telling you, they'll give it to you here. So it's going to be the same. Click on save. You'll need to wait for the changes until they propagate. It will take like 24 hours. Once you do so, it will be connected. You should be good to go. You can verify the connection from Namecheap. You'll find the verify option, or you can even test it out by going and type in the URL that you have here in this, and it should be pointing into Namecheap instead of GoDaddy, and you should be good to go if it does that. If it doesn't, maybe you made a mistake. You can simply just go through the steps once again and check if you made a mistake or not, or changing the name servers. Maybe you typed something wrong. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.